Good morning, fourth graders. Today is Friday, March 19th. Your must-dos today for math, you need to work in your MT course in Kickstand and your Fluency Playground. I know many of our students, many of you guys are in a placement test right now, and so that we ask that you do not work on that placement test at home. Only work on it here at school. So if you are in a placement test, a green one or a black one or purple, just don't work on that placement test today. You can work in Fluency, you can work in Flex. Prodigy is a great activity to keep you sharp on those math skills, okay? For reading, you need to complete the lesson for the day in Kickstand, and then your Wonders to-do list, and like always, reading to yourself for at least 30 minutes. Fill out your log. If you are needing a new log, let me know. I just sent some more to print. Make sure you're recording what you read. And then for writing, we are finishing up sharing our South Dakota history essays, informational essays that you guys have been writing. So I'm going to have you not work on any writing today. I will put another grammar Kahoot in our Bitmoji classroom if you would like to work on that. Otherwise, it's going to be really nice today, so get outside and play. Tomorrow is supposed to be beautiful, Saturday, so get outside and play. And then your can-dos, if you get bored and need something to do, there is the Flex course, obviously, Freckles, Sumdog, Prodigy, or any of the other math games of your choice. For reading, you can do the Games and Wonders or Epic. And then for writing or your other like specials classes, PE, music, or STEAM lessons. Remember, Mrs. Daly came in a while back and showed us the really cool app in Clever, Quizars or something like that, that you guys can use today and work on that. Okay. Don't forget we have a pizza party on Monday, so don't bring a lunch. Nobody needs lunches. And let's see, next week. We have next week, 4 days next week, e-learning next Friday, and then we have a week off for spring break. Good time to get rejuvenated. Let's work hard this next week. We're going to be practicing, doing some practice things for our Smarter Balance assessment coming up in April next week, okay? So work hard today, get some stuff done, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Bye, fourth graders.